got the KX100 front end finally put on. Ended up going with the Magura setup. You can use the kind of the same handle as the other side, which is kind of nice, but this is all grit shifts set up here. This is what they recommend to use, is that Magura handle, and then they supply the cable, which is awesome. You know, supply that rotor, which is ridiculously, it's smooth as can be. And their choice of caliper was awesome too. We just had to deal with a crazy offset. Got that worked out with this bracket we made over here, and now they're gonna, I think, probably make it work on their end. But anyways, that's the kit. And that's the KX100 front end. We're gonna put a bigger rotor on the front now. So I'm gonna put the 250 millimeter. My dog over there snarling. So I got a 250 millimeter rotor on the back. I'm going to take a 250 millimeter rotor, this rotor, and I'm going to make it fit on that with that, and put it on that KX100 front end. Custom made risers, pretty proud of that. Anyways, we're going to get that front end upgraded to be as snappy as that back end.
So suave.
Okay, all that math and all that garbage, which it wasn't a whole lot of math, but anyways, all the crap I had to do to make a fitting that fits over that, and then this piece here fits there, and I have my adapter. Okay, now I have 250 millimeter rotor in the back of that thing, which makes the brakes a lot better. And then I also put a 250 millimeter brake on the front, and that took a lot of work. Got that old hub made. It's an adapter. Everything, and then I had to modify the mounting plate, and modify the mounting plate. Come on, Gizmo. Anyways, I had to modify the mounting plate there to get the caliper where I wanted it. I got a 250 millimeter brake on the front of it.